So we're at the Huge today, and who do I have here with me?
This is Joe Shuttle.
Joe Shuttle.
Joe Shuttle. We have the gutter cleaning tool here, and we have NutriPods.
So where are you from, Joe?
Vero Beach, Florida.
And you have a pressure washing business down there?
I do. I have a pressure washing business, and we have HydroPro USA.
And how long you been in business for pressure washing?
Pressure washing, I am in 20 years, over 20 years. I got a couple more years past the stuff, the counting point, but 20 years in service industry.
I know you've been around for a long time. He was around when they had them things called forums, wasn't you?
Oh man, those were bad. No one gave that was rough. I avoided them completely.
They're kind of like the Facebook groups now.
Yeah, Facebook's groups are easier, much easier.
At least you can block people on Facebook. It was a little bit harder to do it in.
And back then, we weren't sharing information. You were not getting the recipe on our mix. You were not doing it. Yeah. We were like, hooray for me and F you.
They still do that some because now they just give you bad information, right?
Yeah. But now we're trying to help you. Now we're on the other side of it.
Now we're being, what's it called? We got to coddle people sometimes, right?
I guess at some point you got to help people.
We got to be kinder, gentler.
What comes around goes around.
That's right. So what's this thing do here?
This thing is a gutter cleaning tool. Looks like this. Hooks to your pressure washer wand or telescopic pole or Vitali's super high extension water pole over there.
We'll be coming out with a video and doing a unique thing using this and hooking up to a water fed pole and doing the whole contraption where it'll be a game changer.
Super high heights, like apartment buildings, six-story apartment buildings. He's got the answer for it.
Awesome.
So we'll be coming out with this in a few videos, working with this guy. He's the brains behind this whole thing, and we're gonna make it happen. Watch for those videos.
Awesome.
This is Terry Garceau, business partner, co-owner, and he's man, he has a lot of function. When I'm out in the field, he's doing everything. He's a great guy.
So this here, obviously, we don't have to use a ladder to clean out gutters?
You do not have to use a ladder anymore. You are not paying the comp codes on a worker on the roof because that worker's on the ground, so you're more profitable at that point.
All right. Now, what's the next product that I really want to come over here for?
The next product is chlorine neutralizers that go in the downspouts or in the gutter systems. So if you have a downspout and you got, say, about 50 gallons of flow coming off of a roof, you put this in the gutter right before the downspout, and the flow comes through. This bag dissolves, the product dissolves, and it's neutralizing before it's coming out the downspout.
Yep.
So, and then you can also throw this in a 5-gallon bucket of water. It makes 5 gallons of concentrate. That 5 gallons of concentrate can be downstreamed out 10 to 1, 50 gallons of product to neutralize.
So the question is, do I got to bag my gutters, or is this going to take care of that?
You do not have to bag the gutters. If it's a 2-story gutter and you don't want to get up there, you can actually stuff these in the downspout. It's going to create a puddle, or put a bowl, even a small bowl. Put 1 or 2 if you have a lot of mix coming off, and it'll flow into the bowl. It creates like a trough of neutralizer and neutralizes as it's coming out of the downspout.
So if I did a bowl or a 5-gallon bucket of this stuff, can I put this on plants too? Is
yes,
it going to actually help?
So you can throw this in a 5-gallon bucket and make 5 gallons of concentrate and downstream it out and neutralize plants, air conditioner units. You know, I've seen it before. I've showed up and the whole top of the air conditioner unit's rusted out because someone didn't neutralize it.
So we could downstream this after we get done with the roof.
You could downstream it. My wonderful worker who makes sure our plants live, aka Plant Girl. She actually takes a foam gun, fills it with the concentrate, and she keeps it in her back pocket. She floods the plants out, and then shoots the hooks it up to right to the ball valve, neutralizes the plants and the metal, goes to the other side, does that. We do our house wash, then she bounces back this way and rinses the plants behind us. And that's her job.
Awesome.
She makes your thing cut off there.
No, it's still going. Red dot, still going.
That's her job, to make sure all plants live.
So how much does something like this cost me?
Okay, so this is $5, but here's how this breaks down. As a neutralizer, it's very inexpensive. Basically, you're making 50 gallons of concentrate with $5. As a gutter neutralizer for the runoff, that can increase in cost. But if you have bird of paradise, giant plant, Japanese maple, monkey fern, something really delicate, I'm not a penny pincher when it comes to my protection,
$5 is pretty cheap.
But guys are like, oh, you're gonna put $20 to protect it? Yeah, hell yeah, I'm gonna put $20 all day long.
Protect that $10,000 tree.
Yeah, I want to sleep tonight,
And this is really good, would be good for employees, correct?
Yes. One of the problems when we were dealing with some liquid neutralizer.
So before I get to that, could we spray this on the Japanese maple to help keep it from the bleach?
Okay, we have tested this on many plants. I've had it out in the field for a while before we released it, and so it's been bench tested by quite a few guys. We have 0 reports of any plant dying from this, and we purposely were spraying this. We have a test house that we test products on and stuff like that, so we can mess up the test house. So anyway, we put this stuff on plants and left it there.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Now, it is good practice in our industry to always rinse. Always rinse windows you rinse. Everything you rinse.
Yeah.
There is a soap marker in this, so when it's downstreaming out.
I got you.
And then if you see it running clear, you know that you're out of your mix.
Awesome. Well, thank you for doing it. I'm gonna have to get some from him to get some video, so that way we can see what's going on. Any words for a new guy of starting out in the pressure washing business?
I was like, man, I have a lot of words for a new guy. Just it's not an overnight success story. You have to build a good client base. Always deliver upon what you're telling. What you tell that client you're going to do, and you just got to stick with it through the highs, the lows, and don't get overextended.
You got to take action.
Got to keep going.
Awesome.